Hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you an app that I like. This app allows you to listen to songs on YouTube while you have your display turned off. I often see people listening to music on their headphones, but on YouTube. There's nothing wrong with that except for the fact that you can't do anything else on the phone while you're listening. Now, I myself use Spotify cause I like it, but perhaps some of you don't want to pay for an app. The app I'm telling you about can be found on Play Store, so it's only available for Android. Sorry iPhone users. The app I'm telling you about is Swamp. It behaves like any other audio player, but besides the fact you can listen to songs stored on your phone, you can also listen songs from YouTube. You can log in with your YouTube account and even import your private playlists, or why not, search for other public playlists. You can minimize that, you can do whatever you want. It can be controlled even if you have your phone locked. The interface is quite simple, with an intuitive design like any other audio app. You even have an audio effect option where you can choose from a couple of presets. Hope you guys enjoy using this app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button.